Hey, what is going on today? TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube. So I'm here with this $25 longboard from Five Below, and a couple things to make a board this cheap feel a little bit better is to loosen this bolt at the end of the truck to make the wheels spin a little bit better. Then I also adjust the kingpin on the truck, either tighten or loosen depending on your preference. Then I would say just go around to all the hardware, make sure it's tight and square, and then I would say get as much of the plastic as you can out from under the trucks. And yeah, other than that, like, comment, follow, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.